Each program looks at creating outputs, printouts, and the defaults. So here we can see our system. So if I want to do a printout of, say, the WC circuit, I can display calculate just to bring it up to date, select the cold water and select that system. I can then go to the file menu, select print, results. And then when I activate the print button, that'll then create the PDF for me. That then produces the PDF where we have the breakdown of the system totals, the draw-off information, distribution pipe information, all listed. So each separate system will be treated separately on the printouts. You can actually adjust and alter the appliance information by going to the edit menu and selecting appliance list. And you can see here all these appliances are based on the BSE N806, so you can actually alter the loading units, the flow rates, the fitting resistances and the type of fitting. You can actually add to this list as well. There's an add button where you can create the nearest symbol to represent your appliance. So if you're doing industrial, for example, you might want to add in some extra process work or whatever that doesn't appear in this list. And you can apply the loading units. These actual loading units are generated from the MEPworx default editor, where all the program parameters in whatever program you're in, this sets the default. So if you wish to alter these, not specifically for the project like we have here, then what you would need to do is go to the Utilities menu and go into the MEPworx default editor.